Hello everyone, welcome to this new video by ChezMamie where the French cuisine is made easy. So today we are going to make a pastry cream or crème pâtissière in French, which is a very important recipe. Why? Because we will use this pastry cream as a filling for some next videos. Indeed, we can use this pastry cream for cream choux or choux à la crème in French, or for a strawberry tart, for example. So stay tuned. But for now, let's focus on this easy pastry cream. So for a perfect homemade pastry cream, you will need 1 liter of milk, 100 grams of flour, 150 grams of sugar, and then 4 egg yolks, and then 1 vanilla bean. That's it. Are you ready? So let's start. So first you mix your egg yolks with sugar. With a whisk. Now you can add your flour. First. And then second part. You can add also just half a glass of milk to make it a bit easier for you to in the bowl. The secret is that usually when you boil milk in a saucepan, then at the very bottom that would stick, that would become very dark, very burnt. So here the trick is to add some water, just a little bit of water in the saucepan, and then you can pour the milk. This secret should allow you to get a clean saucepan even if the milk is boiling. So right now the first step is to make the milk a little bit warm, so we can wait for some minutes, and now in the meantime we can just work on the vanilla bean. Just cut in the middle, open a little bit. And now that the milk is warm in the saucepan, now you can add the mixture here. So with eggs, sugar and flour, and then that's quite easy. You just boil this mix. And you stir, you keep stirring. And after 5 to 10 minutes boiling, then you will see that your pastry cream or crème pâtissière is ready. See the texture? Now that can just cool off a little bit, and then we will use this pastry cream in our one of the next videos to make for example, a strawberry tart. But now that's done. Congratulations, you have an easy pastry cream or crème pâtissière. Congratulations!